For most of my life, I was a really shy person. I couldn't look at people in the eyes. I always felt invisible. I always felt I needed to prove my worth to others to let them accept me into their lives. I did not see any value in me. I always wanted to prove myself, and this has hindered my confidence and my self esteem. I always felt down. I always felt that people do not give a shit about me, and I was just this guy on the sidelines. And I wanted to make this video to tell you 4 things that you can start applying in your life right now so you can grow this sense of worth in yourself, and you will be much more confident and proud of the person that you are. So if you're between the ages 18 to 20, 21, I do believe that if you start doing these over and over again, you will eventually reach a point where you will break out of this cycle of being shy, of being timid, of always feeling like you are not good enough. So the first thing is to aim on getting a physical win during your day. So whether it's going to the gym, it's training, it's just sweating, allowing your body to move, it's just gonna put you in a different state of mind. You will operate in a different way. You will also see the world and experience yourself in the world from a different angle. The importance of this is that you are no longer in a passive state. You are active. You will feel like your heart is pumping. You are breathing. For me right now, it's going to the gym, it's training calisthenics. I feel the more I have control over my body, the more proud I am. And it's not only about working out to look good, it's also about pushing yourself mentally and implementing discipline in your life. There are countless occasions where I have felt like I do not want to go to the gym. Maybe it's raining, maybe I feel lazy, but I still went out and did it anyway. And this has rewired the way that I talk to myself. The relationship that I have built with me, it's different right now. I know that I am getting shit done in my life. The second point is to also aim on getting an intellectual win. So the physical is important, but if you do not combine it with intellectual gains as well, you will feel like you are a shell of a human. You want to also be filling your mind, yourself from the inside. It's not only about looking good, about looking aesthetic, having abs, having a six-pack. It's also about being a man of culture, being a man of value, and you will reach this value by working on your knowledge. So no matter what interests you right now, no matter what you are trying to learn or indulge yourself in, whether it's your studies, you're going to school, you're going to university, there's a side project that you are working on, try to push yourself mentally as much as you can. In my personal life, it's all about learning German. Because I've moved to Germany, I wasn't able to speak the language, so I took it upon myself as a challenge. I want to learn a new word every single day. I'm taking courses as well. I'm showing up for myself, trying to push my brains to its full capabilities. And once you combine pushing yourself physically and mentally as well, you will operate in a different way. You will start seeing yourself as a winner. Even though nobody is clapping for you, but you see what's happening in the background and you are proud of the work that you are putting in. In addition to building your knowledge, you can also watch YouTube videos that are informational and educational as well. Instead of putting yourself in a situation where I'm mindlessly entertaining myself and consuming content that the algorithm is feeding me, I am seeking knowledge, I'm seeking education. I used to tell myself that when I would finish school, then I won't open a book ever again. But it was the exact opposite. After finishing school, I was able to get into learning topics that I cared about. Instead of being fed information from different topics and subjects in school without me having an input into what I want to learn, I was able to know what my interests are and start just diving in and trying to build my knowledge in that. If it was philosophy, I started reading books about Plato, about Marcus Aurelius. I started just understanding what I wanted more, and the more you understand yourself, the more you can start working with yourself. Instead of hindering yourself, you will be working hand in hand with you. The third point is to be social. It's to break out of this cycle of putting myself away, locking myself in my room, playing video games, just trying to not put myself out there. The more you go outside, the more you get to experience life and the world, you will see how much easygoing people are. Just go outside, man. Go for a walk. Look at people in the eyes. Smile when you are looking at people. Don't be desperate and all up in their face, but at the same time, be present in your environment. If you're walking on the street, people in your surroundings, people in the area that you live, they will notice you. Maybe you won't don't know them by name, you can say hi, how's it going? This is all going to push you to break out of your shell. And I know it might be really intimidating in the beginning, especially as a shy person, but if you won't do that, you won't feel any progress and any changes. No matter how many books you read, no matter how much money or muscles you have right now, it won't make sense if you won't push yourself towards what you are scared of and what you are fearing right now. You won't see any progress, and you will just keep locking yourself, isolating yourself away from the problem. And you don't want that. You don't want to be just going from self-improvement video to self-improvement video without taking any action. The more action you take, especially when it comes to other people and you get to interact with other people, maybe if it's getting a job in something social. I've worked as a waiter in a restaurant just so I could improve my German, and at the same time so I can interact with people more. I was sick and tired of just staying at home the entire day, not doing anything productive. I wanted to put myself in society more, and then I was able to build my network, and little by little I was able to connect with like-minded individuals. And you can do the exact same thing as well. The only thing you need to do is to understand your personality. What type of person are you? What are your standards? What are your interests? And then you will meet people that have the same interests as you, and then you will bond together. When I used to heavily game, I was in a lot of Discord channels where all gamers were just going there and talking to each other. And it's the exact same way if you are trying to grow. Just find like-minded individuals and connect with them, and you will be amazed on how far you can push things. The fourth and last one, maybe it's the most important one, it's a spiritual win, and no matter what your religion is. So I'm Christian Orthodox, but if you are Muslim, if you're Buddhist, if no matter what religion you are, exercise it to its fullest. Try to get as close to, if you want to call it God, if you want to call it higher power, there's something in the world that is much bigger than us. And I do not care even if you're atheist, listen to this. There's something that makes the world go around. And the more you align yourself with this higher power, with this thing that is much bigger and stronger than you, the more you will feed off its strength. You want to call it nature, you can call it nature as well. To me personally, it's through reading the Bible. And I'm not out here claiming that I'm the most perfect Christian or the most religious person in the room. I do sin every now and then. I know what I'm doing is good. I want to be a positive force in the world. I don't want to just lose myself in this endless chase of dopamine. And the more spiritual you are, the more self-control you will have over yourself. The more stoic you become, the more you understand that your actions do have consequences, and you want to align yourself with this higher up power as much as possible. The more you focus on this, the more you will feel like you are a different type of individual. You are no longer this shy guy that just likes to stay all by himself. You want to showcase yourself for the world because you know that you've been putting in work on yourself, and that's the point of self-improvement. Of course, you have to focus on you, but at the same time, you want to share your knowledge with the world and with as much people as possible. The more you focus on these 4 points, the more unstoppable you're going to become. And I'm going to repeat them for you. Physical, intellectual, social, and spiritual. The more you get these things on lock every single day, you will just be amazed on how far you can take things in your life, and the results will come eventually as long as you stay consistent on it. So thanks for watching, man. If you have anything that you want to share with me, write it down in the comment section below. Also subscribe, as it really helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, man. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.